Well, no, yeah, I know, but like, cause the confederation is where the states have all the federation logically would wear national.
Okay, so we're looking at, we want to,
Solely, that's what it was.
we want to inscribe we want to get the largest right circular cylinder inscribed in a sphere of radius r, right?
Yeah.
So cross section is all we need,
Cylinder inside.
and the cross section would look like,
Just a circle out of a box.
Yeah. I don't understand that. Can we get a real world situation where the cylinder would be used, 'cause,
That is a real world situation.
yeah,
Okay,
like,
that's
no,
what I
like,
thought, but I wasn't sure.
when would you use this?
okay, so it looks like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and once again, so if the radius of the sphere is r, we've just got to kind of we want to come up with a primary equation for the volume of the cylinder, right? Okay, what is the volume of a cylinder?
IR squared H.
Pi r squared h.
So we're just trying to figure out how big of a cylinder we can have though, right?
Right. Okay, so if the radius is r, okay, then we've got to we're going to define maybe this distance right here as x, and this distance right here as y, right?
Isn't that just H though?
Right, it is, right, it's h, you're right. So our volume formula then, the volume is equal to pi x squared y for us, right? Okay, what's the problem with our primary equation though? Two variables, so we need a secondary equation, AKA an equation of constraint. Okay, what's our constraint here?
The radius.
Yeah, radius of the sphere. So we should be able to come up with, and this one's actually quite a bit simpler. We should be able to come up with a relationship between r and x and y. And what's it probably gonna be? Yeah, it's gonna be a Pythagorean theorem problem, right? We gotta make a right triangle out of it. A right triangle that involves x's and y's and r's.
I wasn't
That's just
sure
what
if
it
you
says,
have to
y
like
squared
do the triangle or if you
y
have to
over
do something with
two
the circle because of the
x
cylinder,
over
but then.
Well, you want to see, all you're trying to do here with the secondary equation is just come up with some relationship that you can extract from this situation, right? And from the cross section, we can see a pretty easy right triangle. You guys will find it. Okay,
Boom, I've got a thing.
good.
4r squared equals x squared plus y squared. I'm a freaking wizard.
4r
X squared plus y squared?
4r squared.
I'm not buying
Are you
that.
sure
No,
about
yeah.
that?
Because so you set up the triangle is r on the hypotenuse, and then there's y over 2 and x over 2.
Yeah, but it's not x over 2.
Why not? Because that's half of x.
No,
No,
x
x
is,
is-
x is that distance. X
Oh,
is-
the x is the half of the distance. Oh, okay, I thought x was the whole.
Right.
Why not just make x the whole?
Well, you could, that's fine, but then that's fine. If you make it the full thing, then you define it differently, that's okay.
Oh,
That wouldn't change this
yeah,
equation
that
though,
would
right?
make that efficient, but though. So now would it be 4?
Okay, so then, do you want, okay, I'll leave it up to you then. So we're gonna, you guys this is your college students here, so do you wanna go through another one? Or do you wanna work, and I don't care,
How about we work and then we'll be like, hey, can we go?
okay, that works.
Do you
Alright,
have
alright.
the answers for the first two though?
Are they not on, they're not odd?
Oh wait, they are. Never mind.
Yeah.
15.
And then notice I put up, it's only got 5 questions on it, but I did put up another one online. But all you have to do for the online one is give me an answer, right? For the online one.
Okay, so when you relate on this problem, just because I don't have it pulled up, does r have a actual number? Is
No,
there an actual range?
no, it could have, but it didn't. They just said it's R, so our answer's gonna be in terms of R.
Oh, so
Yeah.
we just treat that as.
No, actually,